Next question. Secret of असे प्रश्न विचारू नका, माझे आई बाबा व्हिडिओज बघतात. Hi, I'm Shivani. Welcome back. So, generally people do their very first YouTube video as a Q&A video, but I never thought that it made sense because जो पहले 500 subscribers होते हैं, they are like your friends and family and they know stuff about you. So it doesn't make sense doing it as a first video. So now that we have crossed 2000 subscribers and more than 1,75,000 views, which I'm very grateful for, I thought that I would do this right now because at this stage I am planning to personalize the channel a little bit, and there was no other occasion than the 2-year anniversary of our channel. Like 2 years ago I uploaded my very first YouTube video, and many things have been going since then. So I actually uploaded a story on Instagram and even posted on my community tab if you all have any questions for me, and I did get a bunch of questions. And before we get started, I just wanted to say a big thank you to whoever sent in these questions. आधे तो मेरे दोस्त ही है, but still there are a few people who I don't know, so that'll be fun to answer. Also, I had posted on my story if they want their name to be anonymous or not. Most of them have chosen no, so I will be putting the screenshots on the screen while answering the question. The questions have been mentioned in the description box and they have been divided in the chapters on the timeline. So because I know that it's going to be a long video, you can just go through the questions that you want to know. I won't take a lot of your time. So the first question is by Devika, and she asks, what are you currently studying and where do you live? So hi Devika, I actually graduated 2 months ago. I finished my bachelor's in media studies and I live in Mumbai. I was born and brought up in Mumbai. The second question is by Vaishnavi. She's my best friend. So she asks, why did you start singing in the first place? So I don't actually know how to answer this. Why did I start? It's just because I've been in this environment since I was a kid. Like, y'all must have met my mom in the hashtag iTunes videos. So she is a trained classical singer. She has a Visharad in Hindustani classical music. And my dad is a huge connoisseur of classical music. He also used to play the violin when he was in college. So I have always been around in this very encouraging environment for music, and I think that's where it all started with family. Now switching to the community tab, Saniket has a bunch of questions. So his first question was story of how I started singing. So I'm just connecting it to the previous question asked by Vaishnavi. So story of how you started singing. Okay, so I remember that the first time I sang was actually in junior KG for a drama in school. Before even my mom put me in professional classes, that was the first experience in school that I had, that I sang in a drama. There was like this song. We had like 7 girls and we had become the 7 swar. Like आम्ही 7 स्वर बनलेलो सारेगमपधनी, and I was G. It's in that blue chakmak costume. If I find that photo, I'll put it here. So yeah, that's the story of how I started singing. Next question is, why is your nickname Pattu and its story? Okay, this is weird because like only my friends and mutuals know that people call me Pattu, so I'm guessing you must be a mutual. So there is no name like story to this because my name is very common. Like there were like 3 other Shivanis in school with me, and ऐसे रास्ते पे जाके भी शिवानी बोले तो 8 लड़कियाँ देखती है, तो it's pretty common. And yeah, I've never liked my name actually, but I think it started when my elder brother's friends started calling him Pattu from our surname. And that's how I think my friends picked it up, and I liked it. I found it pretty cool. So yeah, That's why my nickname is Pattu. Next question, secret. ओके बट सिरियसली असे प्रश्न विचारू नका, माझे आई बाबा माझे व्हिडिओज बघतात. And the last question from him, when will we hear more Marathi songs as your voice suits them? मला मराठी गाणी गायला खूप आवडतात. मी लहानपणापासून फक्त मराठीत गात आली आहे. मी कॉलेजमध्ये असताना हिंदी आणि इंग्लिशला शिफ्ट झाले. बट काय आहे की मराठी गाण्यांचे कॅरिओके ट्रॅक्स इतके फ्रीली अवेलेबल नसतात यूट्यूबवर. सो इट गेट्स डिफिकल्ट टू सिंग देम. आणि युकलेली वाजवते मी, बट युकलेली एक वेस्टर्न इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आहे. सो इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी की मराठी गाण्यांची जी इमोशन आहे ती त्या इन्स्ट्रुमेंटनी नीट डेपिक्ट होईल असं मला वाटत नाही. बट इफ यू ऑल डोंट माइंड, मी नुसतं लाईक विदाऊट एनी म्युझिक, विदाऊट एनी इन्स्ट्रुमेंट नुसतं गाणं गाऊ शकते, जर तुम्हाला तसं चालणार असेल तर. सो इफ यूड लाईक दॅट देन लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट्स, मी नक्की गाईन. वैष्णवी अगेन आस्क्स, who do you love singing for? I don't sing for other people. Like I get really awkward if I dedicate a song to someone in public, or if people ask me to sing essay for someone. I like singing for myself. Vrinda asks, what motivated you to start a YouTube channel? Even though I was in another city आणि तिथे परत एक नवीन गुरु, नवीन टीचर शोधणं कठीण असतं, I thought की if I start a YouTube channel, maybe every week जे मी पोस्ट करते त्याच्यामध्ये ॲटलिस्ट थोडी प्रॅक्टिस होईल, माझा गळा ॲटलिस्ट चालता राहील. इट वोंट बी लाईक अचानक 3 वर्षाची मोठी गॅप पडली अँड आय एम लॉस्ट. सो आय थिंक द फिअर ऑफ लूजिंग माय व्हॉइस वॉज द थिंग दॅट ॲक्च्युली मोटिवेटेड मी. बिकॉज घरी असताना, लाईक मुंबईत असताना मला कधी हा विचार आला नव्हता. बट घरापासून लांब गेले तेव्हा मला कळलं की आय एम लूजिंग टच, बिकॉज माझे क्लासेस पण थांबले, माझा रियाज अख्खा थांबला. सो आय थिंक दॅट्स वॉट मोटिवेटेड मी. इट वॉज द फिअर दॅट मोटिवेटेड मी, बट आय एम ग्लॅड आय स्टार्टेड इट. Next question is from Shashank. He asks, we know that Shivani is your name, but what does Shivani mean? So, as I said in the nickname question, my name is very common. So, I didn't want my channel to be called Shivani Patwardhan. I just wanted to keep my original name separate. And I was actually trying to find a stage name but couldn't find any. And that's when I realized I could just spin off my own name. And Shivani is something actually, one of my seniors in junior college, Manali, she just used to randomly call me Shivani in like practices, dance practices and something. And I think that's just how I picked it up. There's no meaning or no story behind it. Prapti asks, how do you deal with creative burnout, especially if things aren't going great in your personal life? Prapti is another friend of mine, and thank you so much for asking this question. So, how do you deal with creative burnout? I don't. I simply take a break, because one thing about me is that if things aren't going great in my personal life, I am not able to do anything else. I know it's bad and I should have control over my emotions and stuff, but some days I just can't. I just need a break. And this happened exactly at this time last year. I took a 1-month break from YouTube because for 365 days I had uploaded a video every weekend, or even 2 videos in 1 week, and I was feeling a major burnout because it's difficult to churn out new content, new covers every single week, because every song has a different emotion behind it. You need to study every song, you need enough practice. And मेरे पहले साल के वीडियोस में वो दिख के आता है, कुछ वीडियोस that I haven't worked up to the mark, and that is because I was in the constant rush of uploading, creating and uploading. So if things aren't going great in my personal life and I'm facing a creative burnout, I just give myself a break. And I think that's what most people should do, because then when you're back in the game, you're much more energetic, you have a clear and fresh mind, and you work more efficiently. So yeah, I take a break. Vaibhavi asks, to decide the order of content on your channel, how early do you start the planning? Content की planning तो मेरी 1-2 महीने पहले ही हो जाती है, but it's the execution जिथे मी थोड़ी अशी होते. When it comes to execution, things just don't work for me sometimes. So yeah, I do start planning early, but I need to work on my execution. Aditi asks, which artist inspired you for ukulele? Actually, no artist inspired me. What inspired me was that मेरे songs इतने plain लग रहे थे. Like, either I used to have a karaoke track playing in background, but if there was no track, then it just used to be plain, and there were so many songs that had potential, but they used to fall flat, like on camera, because there was no background score to it, I guess. So that's when I decided to take up an instrument. Like, I always knew that vocals would be my forte, but I wanted to learn something in the background, and I actually had thoughts of getting a Casio or a guitar at first. But when you're in Pune, going everywhere through a two-wheeler, carrying a guitar or a Casio isn't very doable. So that's when I think I got the ukulele. If you've seen this video, you will know that it was a very impulsive buy, but it was a good decision. Abhishek asks, when am I getting coffee? So there's a special video coming up. It'll be up in a week or so. I think you will get the context later. When is Butter meeting Nomad? So Butter is basically my Vespa and Nomad is his bike. He has a YouTube channel. He does motovlogging. It's called Bikeology, and I will link it down in the description and up in the I bar. It's here. Where is it? Wherever it is, I will link it. Because one of his videos went viral. I think it's at 400k or something, and I will leave that video link down below also. You should check it out, and if you're interested in motovlogging, subscribe to him. Janavi asked, what draws you to singing so much? I don't know, I just feel happy, I guess. I don't have any answer for this. I don't know how to answer this question. It just keeps me sane and makes me happy. So yeah, that's what. Aishwarya asks, what's your profession? Hi Aishwarya, I'm currently freelancing as a digital and social media marketer. Shubham asks, how many music documentaries have I watched till now and of which artists? This is going to be disappointing because the answer is none. So, see, I studied media and films in college, like film crafts, filmmaking, film appreciation. I've studied everything, even watched a few historic documentaries, but there is something, I think it's the pace of documentaries that puts me off. I'm not really drawn towards documentaries at all. I have watched theatrical plays when I was studying Natya Sangeet for a year when I was in 11th. I've watched Netflix series, and the Bandish Bandits came out. Then I watched movies. There is Natarang, Katyar Karzat Ghusli, Balagandharva. I've watched a lot of films, but no documentaries as such. But if you all have any suggestions, then please comment down below. Dr. Kajol asks, how do we know that which chord to use while playing our uke? So firstly, practice. And secondly, I'm not the right person to ask this question because I'm not a professional when it comes to ukulele. I'm a self-taught artist. I just search chords online and play them, and if they're difficult for me to play by now, because it's been almost 1.5 years since I'm playing the ukulele, so I know what to use when. After this amount of time and practice that I put into it, but I don't think I'm qualified enough to answer your question. But there's this channel by Siley. I'll link it down below. This is the channel, and she is an actual ukulele teacher. So I think she will be able to answer this better, because I really don't feel qualified enough to answer this. There is one anonymous question. म्युझिक एवढ्या आधी चालू केलंस तू शिकणं, बट यूट्यूब चॅनल कॉलेजमध्ये का काढला? सो बेसिकली this person is asking that I've been learning music since I was a kid, but why didn't I start a channel before? Why did I start it in college? So basically, I was introduced to media studies in grad school. Like till 12th, I never even had the idea that I would do something like this. But when when I went to college, I had this primary requirement of getting a DSLR, and I started singing for open mics and competitions. And that's when it hit me that if I am documenting stuff through the camera, why can't I document my music? And that is why it started in college. Because seriously, if it wasn't for media studies bachelor's that I did, I do not think I would have ever done this. So now let's end this Q&A with a bunch of questions that Pooja has asked on the community tab of YouTube. So, hi Shivani, hi Pooja. I love watching your videos, eagerly waiting. Thank you. How do you prepare for open mics? So, March 2020 में I had made this script of a sit down video where I exactly have this script of how do you prepare for open mics. But then lockdown ho gaya, so I never got the chance to post it because the content in it was appropriate for when you get ready, you prepare yourself to physically go and sing somewhere. So I think I'll be posting it in 2 months because I still have the script, and I'll be posting it in 2 months because I think the better sab open ho jayega and it'll be more relevant then. So this question will turn into a video. So subscribe and wait for it. Secondly, equipments which you use for practicing and recording YouTube videos. So when it comes to practicing, so basically YouTube pe I searched the A sharp scale, which is Kali Paths. That is my scale. I don't know तुला मराठी येतं का. मी रियाज करते त्या स्केलवर, and I use a metronome, and I even have a tabla machine for practice that way. And when it comes to recording, I have a Nikon D5600 DSLR, and that's for video. For audio, I have my iPhone 12 mini, and for editing, I have my MacBook Pro 2020, and I use Final Cut Pro as the editing software. Do you have stage fright? If yes, how do you tackle that? Have you watched my first video? It was I sang Ghar More Pardesiya. That entire video मी डोळे बंद करून गायले. Like stage fright सोड, मला कॅमेरा बघून आधी भीती वाटायची, and I still do have stage fright. Like I get cold, my palms get sweaty. Sometimes I feel myself running short for breath, and things happen. Like I think I've trained myself to just go there, close my eyes and start singing, because in most places where I've performed, the light is on me. I can't see other people, like I can just see shadows in front of me. So I think that makes me feel better because I can only hear my own voice. I can't see anyone directly staring at me. So I think that makes it better. But another way to handle it is to just face it, because you cannot keep running away from it. Like thankfully my stage fright never went to a level where I got really anxious and stuff. I get anxious, but over years, because I've been performing since I was 4 years old, so over the years I have developed this thing in my mind that you have to go there, you have to face it. Max to max क्या हो जाएगा, I'll stutter a little, maybe थोड़ा सा voice हिल जाएगा, but all that's fine when you're just picking up, because once you get in the zone, there's going to be nothing that will stop you. So I have this constantly in the back of my mind, and I think that helps me. A little bit about your family and what motivates you to sing. I actually told what motivates me to sing in a previous question. A little bit about my family. I live with my parents. My mom has been on the channel in the iTunes videos. You should check it out. And I have an elder brother. who I want to get once on the channel. Like, we were planning to sing a song together, but I think that will be fun because he used to sing before his voice cracked. त्याचा आवाज फुटायच्या आधी तो गायचा. So I'm planning to sing a song with him, but let's see. And lastly, what are your career plans? Well, currently I'm interning at a marketing agency, but I want to pursue my master's in a year. So that's the plan for now. I'll just be freelancing for a year, doing my applications, and next year I want to go abroad for masters. And yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for these many questions. Like, almost 8 of the questions were from my friends, but that's okay. That's what happens in a first Q&A. I hope you all liked this video, and there's going to be a lot of experimenting that will be going down on my channel. Like, there just won't be only covers and ukulele tutorials. There are other things coming as well, so I hope you all like it. And I'll see you next time with a ukulele tutorial. Bye.